Bristol Community College, Mathematics with Dan Avedikian, Math 060, Topics in Developmental Mathematics, Section 4.8, Problem 13. This is Section 4.8, Problem 13. It says Dan wants to buy a new drill press at Burns Power Tools. The drill press costs $830. There is a sale at Burns every December for 10% off. If Dan waits until December, how much will the drill press cost? So this is a practical sort of a question, and we can make it fit the format that's covered in this chapter, but I mean realistically, looking at this, I know 10% would be $83. I just pull the decimal back. So I subtract the 83 from 830, $747. It's a problem that if you're good with numbers, you can do in your head pretty easily. Now, not everybody is that good, and the way to make it fit the format of the problem is you're supposed to ask, can I write it in the form A is P% of B? Well, how much am I going to get off on the drill press? A is 10% of 830. That puts it in the format that I want to see it. Then I'm going to run it through the formula A over B equals P over 100. Remember, I already can figure out the answer quickly. It should be 747. Let's see if the long way agrees with that. It better. So, the A is the unknown. It will stay as A. The is becomes the equals 10%. So the 10 is the P, the percent is the 100, and the B is 830. So, now to do this, what we do is we cross multiply. And actually, I can reduce the 10 over 100 pretty nicely. You don't have to. You get the same answer if you don't reduce it, but 10 divides into 10 once, 10 divides into 100 10 times. So now when I cross multiply, A times 10 is A10 or 10A. You can really write it either way. 830 times 1 is 830. And now, to solve for A, I have 830 over 10. Easy division, just cancel the 0 on the end. So the amount of discount on the tool is $83. So again, that's not what the question asks. The question doesn't ask what's the discount on the tool. It says how much will it cost if Dan waits until December? Well, you subtract the cost, the current cost, non-sale cost of the drill press minus the sale that you get off, the 10% off, and I said it was $747. So if you can see that, that's great. If not, you have to borrow. The 0 minus 3, the 0 is not big enough. Borrowing from here, let's start with this. The 3 becomes a 2, the 0 becomes a 10. 10 minus 3 is 7. Now 2 minus 8 won't go, so you take the 8 in front, make it a 7, make that 2 into a 12. 12 minus 8 is 4. 7 minus nothing is 7. There's 747, which is what I could see without writing it all out. So the answer is if you can wait until December for the sale, that drill press will cost $747 instead of $830.